Simi, if she is watching me live right now, could you please request me again so that I can add you to the video? And it's actually really great to see that so many people are interested, in watching her live, and she is here. Yeah, she's here. Hello, Bam. So, can you hear us now?
Yes, Kanika.
Perfect, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like you to know that almost 5,000 people are watching us live right now, and people are so, eager to know more about you. And I would request you to please, in your own words, please tell us a little about yourself and your story from the journey that you began and to the place where you are today.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਨਿਕਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਆਮ ਸੋ ਸੌਰੀ देयर इज अगेन some network issue let me fix it please.
Well, till the time she joins us back, I would like you to know that I was having a conversation with her, and it's very rare that you get to speak to someone who's so down to earth, and I was so surprised to listen to her thoughts because people from her cadre, they are so busy all the time, but she also, yeah, so she is here. I think I'd let her do the talking. Yes, ma'am, over to you.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿਮੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰ ਤੋਂ ਐਂਡ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਡੀਪੈਂਡੈਂਸ ਡੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ-ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਦਵਾਂਗੀ that and also a very big thanks to Ashray Army and Lovely Professional University for having me here. मैं मेरा नाम as you all know नवजोत सिमी है मैं गुरदासपुर से हूँ एंड सबसे पहले मेरी स्कूलिंग गुरदासपुर से ही हुई है 12th मैंने वहीं से किया है एंड देन आई हैव डन माय BDS फ्रॉम लुधियाना एंड earlier I had not thought of joining the UPSC and then eventually as we all know that we have societal pressures regarding settling down especially on the girls so even I was facing the same pressure and but मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं पहले कुछ बनूंगी उसके बाद मैं ये सब सोचूंगी and then UPSC it just because few of my friends were also preparing for UPSC so it just clicked to my mind that why not I also prepare for UPSC and even I had that idea in my mind that being in a medical profession, you are kind of restricted to your own profession only. You don't get to see the wide aspect of the surroundings around, especially because you are so engrossed in your own profession that you don't get time for that. I'm sure that there must be people who must be getting some time for it also. But for me, I thought,
Yeah.
why not I prepare for civil services and to get to know various aspects of the surroundings and also uh, being a girl child also I had kind of similar pressures that I had faced with then I thought also that if I prepare for civil services like this will be a kind of inspiration to many of the girls around also and I would work on a larger horizon being a part of the policy making.
Absolutely.
I would work, yes,
Right.
I would work on a larger horizon towards especially the women education. And I must say that my biggest support that I had was my mother. She supported me throughout my journey, and she always motivated me that you can do this. You have to study. You can always do this. Then, so I thought I would definitely prepare for it. एंड मैं भी एक बहुत ही सिंपल सी फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हूँ एक बहुत ही नॉर्मल सी फैमिली से आई बिलोंग टू अ विलेज इन गुरदासपुर सो मेरी स्कूलिंग भी बहुत ही बेसिक पंजाब स्कूल एजुकेशन बोर्ड से ही मेरी स्कूलिंग हुई है So it is not that
Yeah.
I belong to a very reputed or kind of those institutions. Then definitely I had to work very hard for this. But I had just one thing in mind, that if I have entered this, that if I have opted to prepare for it, I will put in my 100%. And this is what I tried. And with the limited resources, it was kind of hard also. But I think if one has determination in his mind, in his head, in his heart,
Yeah.
he or she can just do it. So this is how I entered it.
Absolutely. So the struggle has been real, right?
Yes, yes.
And everybody who's watching us right now, this is the careers path. This was the story of Dr. Navjot Simi in her own words. And ma'am, I'm flooded with questions for you, and people want to know about your UPSC journey, the whole time that it took you to prepare for the same and everything. But before moving to all those questions, I would like to know one thing, that once you joined this job and you came into this administration duty, you took this seat, of course. Was there something that totally surprised you? Was there something that you weren't expecting and that happened?
Since I'm into training as of now, I'm a
Yeah.
professional colleague. I'm yet to join the field in a
Right.
proper sense. So we have, like in the academy NPA, we have both outdoor and indoor sessions. Like we are both
Right.
taught practical as well as practical. We have a rigorous physical exercises there, and we also get
Yeah.
to go for various kinds of attachment with different agencies, like different security agencies, different kind of institutions. So during one of my election attachments, we had a chance to visit a lot of police stations. We visited a lot of police stations, and one thing was little kind of surprising. It was not that much surprising, but that little surprised me was that there were not kind of basic facilities for especially the women in uniform in those police stations. Fine, there were
Oh.
not separate washrooms,
Right.
like for example. Though the situation has improved quite a lot from earlier, but still there are basic facilities that are lacking. There are not separate kind of special rooms for women, for for
Okay.
kind of crèche facilities for women. So I
Okay.
found that little surprising, but then eventually India has come a long way, and it is improving now. And the other thing
Yeah.
that I noticed was that the especially the policing is such field that you have to cope up with a lot of stress on a daily basis. Like especially I am an officer, and we being the officers, we don't have that much of kind of deficiencies, I must say. But the lower constabulary, especially in the lower rung, they feel a lot of there is a kind of resource crunch there, and they are so
Yeah.
stressed out. They have to work day and night out. So I think we must I being officer, I'm an officer, and we all must try to also the government must try to kind of fill that resource crunch, and also look
Yeah.
towards the welfare. We need to look for more of the welfare measures, especially for the lower constabulary in the policing. So this is one thing that I noticed, and I hope that we
Okay.
keep on improving on these things in the time.
Ma'am, I would like to compliment you on this thing. Most of the people, when they join the services,
Yes.
what they try to do is they cover all the faults, they cover all the flaws that any particular profession has or any particular organization has. But it's great that how you and most of your colleagues have now started to highlight the kind of problems women are facing and the kind of changes that this organization now needs to have, this institution now needs to bring in. So I think इससे अच्छी बात नहीं हो सकती है कि कोई officer ही some people who are in your shoes right now are trying to do the same. And I hope कि आपका जो initiative है where you are trying to bring women forward and where you're trying to educate more people, spread the awareness, I hope it really works out well, and I'm sure it will. So a lot of questions flooding in about how you prepared for UPSC, and if you have something that you want to tell these people, some tips and everything, because almost 300 questions right now about the same thing. from what I can see. So I would request you to please share some of your experiences while you were preparing for it, and some things that you would like people who, of course, are, trying to prepare for it, you would like them to follow.
So I would start with the thing that uh, since I wanted to become a doctor since my childhood, so I had opted for medical stream. But then when I started for preparing UPSC, then there were obviously little difficulties for me and little challenges in the sense that I had not studied politics, economy, sociology, geography. Sociology was my optional for UPSC. So there was a little bit of difficulty in the beginning, but eventually when we studied and when we grasped things slowly, so these difficulties go away. So मैं यही कहूँगी कि उसके बाद से फिर अगर मतलब there are basically two kinds of aspirants can be there, जिनका पहले से ही वो UPSC करना चाहते हैं हमेशा से, या फिर जो मेरी तरह की दूसरे टाइप के कैंडिडेट्स हैं जो बाद में सोचते हैं मतलब आफ्टर देयर ग्रेजुएशन दैट दे विल गो फॉर यूपीएससी. एंड फॉर माय काइंड ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स मैं ये कहूंगी कि देयर इज नॉट एनी फाउंडेशन कि आपको सिर्फ ह्यूमैनिटीज ही लेना है कि जिससे आपको यूपीएससी का इजी प्रिपरेशन हो सकता है. मतलब आई थिंक दिस इज टोटली अपॉन यू. मतलब यू कैन लर्न एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग एंड यू मस्ट ऑप्ट फॉर अ प्रोफेशन ऑफ योर चॉइस. आई थिंक देयर शुड बी नो फाउंडेशंस टू योरसेल्फ. मतलब आप जो करना चाहते हैं आप एकदम खुल के करिए उसको, और बाद में जब आप जैसे मैं मेडिकल स्ट्रीम से हूँ, मेरा इन सब्जेक्ट्स मैंने पहले नहीं पढ़े थे ये वाले सब्जेक्ट्स, बट इवेंचुअली आई ऑप्टेड फॉर सोशियोलॉजी. तो फिर वो धीरे धीरे मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि मतलब वो मुझे अपना ही सब्जेक्ट लगने लग गया था. दैट एज इफ आई हैव बीन स्टडीइंग इट फॉर क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, ऐसा लगने लग जाता है. सो दीज वर द इश्यूज. एंड फॉर द अदर काइंड ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स जो अभी जो पहले से ही मतलब यूपीएससी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, तो मैं उनसे यही बोलूंगी कि अगर हो सके तो आप थोड़ा ह्यूमैनिटीज वाला ही बैकग्राउंड लें. मतलब इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आपका इंटरेस्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो अगर आप वो ले सकते हैं तो आप जरूर वही लें. उससे थोड़ा प्रिपरेशन में इजीनेस आता है, आपके बाद में थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है. और अपना शुरू से ही आप एक हैबिट बना लीजिए कि न्यूज़पेपर और आपके जो भी करंट अफेयर्स, जो भी न्यूज आपकी सराउंडिंग्स में जो चीजें हो रही होती हैं, आप उनके लिए ओपन रहें हमेशा. लाइक वेर एवर यू गो, जहाँ भी आप जाते हैं, इफ यू गो आउट, कभी आप ट्रेवल करते हैं, कहीं भी जाते हैं, सो काइंड ऑफ रिमेन ओपन टू योर सराउंडिंग. हर एक चीज नोटिस करिए. जैसे आई यूज्ड टू ट्रेवल, आई हैड डन प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम दिल्ली, तो जैसे हम मेट्रो में इधर उधर जाते थे, सो ये देयर वर मेनी कोटेशंस रिटन ऑन द मेट्रो स्टेशन. तो मैं जब भी जाती थी मुझे कुछ कोटेशन बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, सो आई यूज्ड टू क्लिक दोस पिक्चर्स आल्सो एंड आई यूज्ड टू राइट डाउन इन माय कॉपी. मैं हमेशा ऐसा करती थी. मतलब कहीं भी मुझे अच्छी कोटेशंस मिलती थी, कुछ भी अच्छी न्यूज मिलती थी.
I think it's a great habit where you're trying to, absorb everything from your surroundings itself. Because at the end of the day, ma'am, it's the world we want to talk about. It's the world we are going to work for, and thus everything for the preparation is also going to come from the same place.
Yes.
So yeah, definitely highlighting this thing that you have shared, and I hope that everybody tries to do the same thing in their own manners, of course. And there is, I think you have answered the question for so many people who wanted to know that whether you went for any academic help for USC or it was self-study. So how much role do you think self-study plays? Though I know how much role everybody does know about it, but still, what do you think about it?
आज के टाइम में, in today's time, as we know, there are a lot of online platforms available for preparation, for guidance. So I think पहले ऐसा नहीं था. During my time, it was not that much of the thing. But especially after this pandemic, I think ये online platforms और भी relevant हो गए हैं. So I think there अभी issue नहीं है preparation करने में. So you can very well, I would like to suggest that जो भी लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से अपना घर बैठ के भी प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. चाहे आई थिंक दे नीड अ वेरी काइंड ऑफ सूदिंग, वेरी कंफर्टिंग प्लेस जहाँ पे उनको किसी भी तरह की मतलब डिस्ट्रैक्शन से वो दूर रहे और अपना ऑनलाइन कोई भी क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं वो, और सेल्फ स्टडी पर ज्यादा ध्यान दें. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. बिकॉज अगर आप कोई कोचिंग भी ज्वाइन करते हैं उसमें भी आपका उतना टाइम कोचिंग के लिए चला जाता है, और तब भी आपको एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो आप सेल्फ स्टडी दोबारा से करते हैं वही मैटर करता है. दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. सो आई से यू कैन ऑलवेज ज्वाइन एनी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म, और जहाँ पे आपको where you feel that you have some weaknesses, so you can always focus on your weaknesses and you can improve your strengths further. So this can be done.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm very curious now. You have done your BDS, right? So I would really like to know that if you would not have joined civil services, would BDS would have been that option that you would like to choose for your career, or was there something else you were passionate about as well?
Yes, definitely. As I'm a dentist और मैंने बहुत सारी extractions की हैं, बहुत सारे root canals किए हैं, so I would have definitely like to do that only. But
Right.
I feel that जो भी if I'm into this profession now, it's really kind of satisfying also that you get to
Okay.
help the people on a larger scale. That अगर आप
Right.
किसी भी छोटी से छोटी भी किसी की मदद कर पाते हैं, it gives you a lot of satisfaction. सो मतलब उनको एक तरह से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का पार्ट हो जाना डिस्ट्रिक्ट की, ओवरऑल उसकी फंक्शनिंग का पार्ट हो जाना, आई थिंक दैट फील्स ग्रेट आल्सो. तो आप एक
Right.
लार्जर एक इम्पैक्ट डाल सकते हैं अपनी सोसाइटी पे, चाहे वो कोई भी काम हो. चाहे मतलब बीइंग अ गर्ल, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं थोड़ा वुमेन एजुकेशन पर ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहूंगी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है
Okay.
एजुकेशन इज द बेसिक हमारा पिलर होता है जिसके ऊपर हमारी सोसाइटी बिल्ड करती है. सो इफ आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो उसके लिए फिर और उसके ऊपर फिर मतलब वी कैन ऑल्सो ग्रो एज अ नेशन वेरी फास्ट इफ आवर एजुकेशन इज रियली क्वालिटी एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन. और मैं इसमें बल्कि लवली प्रोफेशन यूनिवर्सिटी और आपकी आश्रय आर्मी जैसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का भी बहुत थैंक यू करना चाहूंगी कि वो लोग इतने एफर्ट्स लेके ये सब एक तरह से एक ड्राइव चला रहे हैं. और मैं
Yeah.
लवली प्रोफेशन यूनिवर्सिटी को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट भी करना चाहूंगी. दे हैव बीन नॉमिनेटेड इन द टॉप 100 रैंकिंग्स ऑफ NIRF अभी रिसेंटली 2020 में.
Right.
तो मुझे
Thank
ऐसा
you so
लगता है कि
much.
हमें यस क्वालिटी एजुकेशन की तरफ मूव करना चाहिए.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, ma'am, if you are ready for it, we have audience questions firing at the moment. Should I start taking them?
Yes, you can take. Yes.
Great. So, the first question I would like to take is from Ansh Chaudhary, and he wants to know that what are some of the books that you love reading, and can you please share a few names?
Okay. So during my UPSC, so I was all into the books like for polity, for economics, that UPSC like Lakshmikant for polity, Shri Ram IAS for economy. So after my preparation, I usually like kind of non-fiction books. I like rather
Right.
than fiction.
Right.
So ड्यू टू दी काइंड ऑफ लैक ऑफ टाइम, मुझे अभी ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है अभी अपनी ट्रेनिंग में, स्पेशली इन दी ट्रेनिंग मैं बहुत ज्यादा किताबें नहीं पढ़ पाती हूँ. बट रिसेंटली मैंने जो कुछ किताबें पढ़ी हैं, जैसे दी एल्केमिस्ट मैंने अभी रिसेंटली पढ़ी थी, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छी किताब लगी.
Yeah, it's a beautiful book.
दैट
Absolutely.
इज काइंड ऑफ फिक्शन, बट मुझे वो इतनी अच्छी लगी, सो आई हैड ट्राइड फॉर इट. मुझे वो किताब बहुत अच्छी लगी. देन आई हैड रिसेंटली रेड अ बुक ऑन ये वाली इंडिया अनबाउंड. मैंने एक बुक पढ़ी थी, वो बहुत अच्छी किताब लगी मुझे. इंडिया के बारे में वेरियस अपॉर्चुनिटीज हमारी क्या है, इंडिया आने वाले सालों में कहाँ होगा, सब बताया हुआ है उसके बारे में. बहुत अच्छी किताब लगी. देन उसके बाद मैंने रिसेंटली अभी एक बुक मैं जो अभी पढ़ रही हूँ, मैंने महाभारत शुरू की है बुक पढ़ना. मतलब अपना इट tells you about ethics and how to build your perspective upon ethics and various dimensions of it. So abhi recently मैं वो किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. So though I don't get much time to read books, but I would love to read more of the books as I love reading.
Okay, right. So, ma'am, people want to know about the optional subjects that you took, and whether what would be the best choices to make as well for the same.
I would say that सबसे पहले मैं अपने एग्जांपल से स्टार्ट करूंगी कि मैं जैसे मेडिकल स्ट्रीम से हूँ एंड मैंने सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल ऑप्ट किया था. सो आई वुड से दैट डोंट बाउंड योरसेल्फ कि आप अगर जिस बैकग्राउंड से हैं आपको वही ऑप्शनल लेना है. यू कैन टेक एनी ऑफ द ऑप्शनल्स फ्रॉम द लिस्ट दैट इज बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड बाय यूपीएससी. सो सबसे पहले अगर आपको अपने एरियाज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ढूंढिए आप अपने, वो आपका मतलब जिस सब्जेक्ट में आपने अगर ग्रेजुएशन मान लीजिए आपने पॉलिटिकल साइंस में किया है, तो आप उनके लिए तो वो बेस्ट ऑप्शनल होता है, मतलब दे आर इंटरेस्टेड ऑल्सो। बट कुछ दूसरे जो मेडिकल स्ट्रीम वाले हैं, जैसे एग्जाम्पल मैं अपना लूँ, तो मतलब आपको अपना एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए पहले। यू शुड ऑल्सो वॉच फ्यू ऑफ द वीडियोस दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब। मान लीजिए आप पॉलिटिकल साइंस लेना चाहते हैं, या साइकोलॉजी लेना चाहते हैं, या सोशियोलॉजी लेना चाहते हैं,
Yeah.
आप कुछ उनके वीडियोस देख लीजिए यूट्यूब पे, आपको थोड़ा आइडिया लगेगा। और
Right.
उसका एक सिलेबस पूरा यूपीएससी जो देता है, उसको एकदम थोड़ा थॉरली उसको देखिए सिलेबस को, और कुछ वीडियोस देखिए, तो आपको थोड़ा आइडिया हो जाएगा कि आपका इंटरेस्ट किसकी तरफ ज्यादा है, वेयर आर यू लीनिंग मोर। So I think this will help a lot in opting for their optional subject. और किसी के कहने पर बिल्कुल चूज मत करिए, आप अपना इंटरेस्ट खुद से ही भूलिए। I think only you can help yourself in that. So this can be done.
Right, and a very another, I think this is really great, and a very good question from Shubham Prasad, who wants to know that how did you manage to keep up the consistency and motivation during IAS preparation?
I think हाँ definitely ये as this CPSC is a long journey, मतलब you need at least 1 year of preparation, and then the exam itself takes 1 year, around 1 year to get completed. So I think consistency is the most important thing. It is not the number of hours that you put in. I think the number of consistent and jitna concentration, number of hours with concentration that you put in, that matter more. तो मैं ऐसा ही बोलूंगी कि आप एक अपना शेड्यूल बना लीजिए, वीकली शेड्यूल, मतलब यू हैव टू, मतलब आपको शेड्यूल बनाना पड़ेगा, एंड दो शेड्यूल्स डोंट हैव टू बी वेरी काइंड ऑफ लॉन्ग शेड्यूल्स। आप एक थोड़ी शॉर्टर शेड्यूल्स ऑन अ वीकली बेसिस बनाइए, और उसको ट्राई टू फॉलो इट ऑल्सो। और फिर एक दिन अपना मे बी अ वीकेंड और सम डे थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइट रखिए उसको। यू कैन ऑल्सो गो आउट एंड हैव सम फन, तो थोड़ा चिल करिए उस दिन। बट बाकी के दिन देन यू सेट डेली टारगेट्स, आप अपने सेट करिए। वीकली में भी आप अपने डेली टारगेट्स रखिए, एंड ट्राई टू फॉलो दोस टारगेट्स, ट्राई टू कंप्लीट दोस टारगेट्स, एंड ऑल्सो ट्राई टू ओवरशूट देम इफ यू कैन ऑन सम डेज। तो आप अपना ऐसे ही फॉलो करते रहिए, and I think once you start preparing, that you love this preparation so much. This is what happened with me. So I think this happens with most of the aspirants, that you love matlab you get to know about a lot of things that are happening around. So you start loving it. You start loving to read the newspaper. You start loving to read your books. So with this effort in mind, and once you're honest with yourself, अगर आप खुद के साथ honest हैं, तो आप बिल्कुल वो सारे टारगेट्स ही कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, और कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं।
Rightly said, very rightly said. And consistency is definitely the right way to success. So the another question that we have right now is that please share a little of your experience you had during the interview.
Okay. So interview में मेरा एक kind of general, my interview was not leaning towards one side. It was kind of holistic interview, random interview, you can say, random, one from here, one from there. That we have to submit a detailed application form regarding our background, regarding our interests, regarding our hobbies, our education background, study background, everything. So they have a detailed application form with them. So so they had major questions were from that they had all from my hobby section, that I had written yoga in my hobby, I had written running. So mainly questions were focusing upon that yoga. I was asked a lot about yoga. Then I had been asked about the current happenings that were happening around that period. So regarding, there were some issues regarding women also in news at that time. So I was asked about that. So I don't remember the exact questions now, because it's quite some time back. So I think these were the issues. That was a random kind of interview. So I was bombarded with questions from here and there. Yes.
All right. And people want to know that please share what cadre you are at right now, and what will be your further duties for the same.
I got Bihar cadre, so I was recently training for my. I was recently training in Patna. So this is
Okay.
Bihar is my cadre, and after I complete my training, I will be joining any of the districts of Bihar as ASP. Yes.
Okay, right. And another very interesting question from Akash Saijan. He wants to know what is your opinion on the new education policy system?
Yes. So I think the new education policy that has recently come out, it has focused a lot on the quality education that is
Right.
required. So it has also kind of uh, focused on improving the higher education, like improving the higher education and also improving uh, the linkage between the academics and industry. It has focused a lot, and especially in areas on skill building and upskilling, that has been
Yeah.
focused upon. So there
Right.
are then there have been there is also a new focus on the uh, uh, there has been a new system where uh, edge I'm sorry, I'm just forgetting the name of that, but there has been
Yeah.
a focus on improving the quality of the education, right from the primary education till the higher education, and
Yeah.
more of the uh, uh, more of the concern is for the improving the quality of education in the higher education institutions, especially
Yeah.
building technology hubs in the various larger
Absolutely.
institutions. Yes, like
Yeah.
labs.
I'm
We
sure
have
that is
also,
one transitional change that we all will be witnessing in the coming few years, and
yes,
a
yes.
much required change as well, right? तो मैम, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मतलब अभी आपके जितने भी लोग हमें देख रहे हैं तो एक लड़की है, उसने जो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे पूछा है, एंड आई थिंक ये
जी
एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो कि आप बहुत अच्छे से आंसर कर पाएंगे.
जी
द थिंग इज कि बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि उन्हें इंग्लिश नहीं आती है तो वो पता नहीं शायद कुछ अचीव नहीं कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में. और इस बच्चे का क्वेश्चन भी यही है कि मैम, शी समवन फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम, कैन दे बिकम एन आईएएस ऑफिसर और नॉट?
Yes, definitely they can become. यहाँ पे जैसे यूपीएससी में भी यू हैव हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो, इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स
Yeah.
आल्सो. तो इसमें अपने आप को एक किसी भी ऐसी फाउंडेशन में ना रखें कि अगर मैं हिंदी मीडियम से है, they don't need to feel inferior. Though inferior is a wrong word, that is
Right.
not nobody is inferior to anybody. But फिर भी उनको ऐसा लगता है
Absolutely.
कि मेजोरिटी ऑफ दी जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो इंग्लिश मीडियम ऑप्ट करते हैं, इसलिए हिंदी मीडियम में थोड़ा सा मतलब ऐसा उनको लगता है. मैं इनसे यही
Yeah.
कहना चाहूंगी कि आप बिल्कुल भी ऐसा मत सोचें. आप हिंदी मीडियम में भी बहुत अच्छा कर सकती हैं, एंड आप एकदम अपना प्रेपरेशन, ये सबसे पहले तो ये चीज अपने दिमाग से ही निकाल दे कि मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूँ. जिस दिन आप ये बात अपने दिमाग से
Okay.
निकाल देंगी तो आपकी सारी बाउंडेशन से खत्म हो जाएंगी. तो आप बिल्कुल जो भी सब मतलब एक लैंग्वेज तो हमारा मीडियम है एक्सप्रेशन का. It can be Hindi or English or Punjabi or any of the language. So how can it hamper your personality or success? It can never hamper. So आप एकदम अपनी अच्छे से
Right.
तैयारी करें और अपने हिंदी मीडियम के साथ भी आप तैयारी करें. आप जिसमें कंफर्टेबल हैं आप उसके साथ तैयारी करें, तो बिल्कुल आप इंशाल्लाह जरूर क्लियर होगा आपका. जी.
Well, I think this is like something most of you people needed to hear, and ma'am has very nicely answered. So, no language, no race, no color, nothing can
Yes,
stop you from
definitely.
achieving what you are destined to achieve.
जी
Absolutely.
जी बिल्कुल.
One question that I personally have, since I have a sister who's very interested in doing the same, and a lot of school students who are watching us live also would like to know that कोई student अगर plus 2 के बाद ही immediately after school they want to start preparing, what should be the best course of action for them, and what kind of subjects do you think they should be opting in the very initial years for the same?
जी. सो मैं यही कहूंगी कि अगर कोई प्लस पहले से ही डिसाइड कर रहा है, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बात की है, तो आप इट वुड बी बेटर इफ यू चूज एनी ऑफ द ह्यूमैनिटीज. आप कोई सब्जेक्ट चूज कर सकते हैं, पॉलिटिकल साइंस चूज कर सकते हैं, इकोनॉमी चूज कर सकते हैं, बेस्ड अपॉन योर इंटरेस्ट. तो जो आपको ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लगता है, आप वो सब ह्यूमैनिटीज वाला अगर आप ऑप्ट करेंगे तो वो आपके लिए ज्यादा फायदेमंद रहेगा. मतलब आप ये सोच सकते हैं कि कम से कम आपका एक जो हमें ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट लेना होता है यूपीएससी में, वो तो आपका एकदम से प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा. मतलब थ्रू आउट योर ग्रेजुएशन आप समझ लीजिए कि आप अपना ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट ही प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे. तो उससे मतलब बहुत सारा फायदा मिलता है बाद में. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप
Yeah.
पहले कोई ह्यूमैनिटीज वाला ऑप्शनल चूज करें अगर आप पहले से ही तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, और अपना न्यूज़पेपर्स आप पढ़ना चालू कर दें तब से ही, मतलब थोड़ा न्यूज न्यूज के टच में हमेशा हमेशा ही रहें. तो आप एक अपना हैबिट बना लें कि
Okay.
हमें कुछ जो न्यूज चल रहा है उसके बारे में हमें कुछ देखना ही है डेली ऑन डेली बेसिस. सो आई थिंक इट वुड बी इजियर. एंड जो हम आजकल देखते हैं कि काफी लोग अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर करते हैं यूपीएससी. आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिग रीजंस कि वो पहले से ही दे हैव देयर माइंडसेट, और मतलब शुरू से ही वो दे आर ओपन टू न्यू थिंग्स, दे आर ओपन टू व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन देयर सराउंडिंग्स. सो इट हेल्प्स देम अ लॉट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिग
Right.
रीजंस. यस.
Right, absolutely. Apart from UPSC questions, we also have people who want to know your skincare routine and whatnot. So this is one other part of what people want to know from you. But anyways, only if you are comfortable sharing such things.
Definitely, I would share it. See, I believe that I have been a very physically active person since my childhood. So मैं जैसे बचपन में भी घर के काम सारे करती थी. So I had always been very physically active. And after that also, since I entered into IPS, so I have done a rigorous physical training in the National Police Academy. So इसके अलावा मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि आप अपना स्किन अच्छा रखने के लिए यू हैव टू बी एकदम अपना एक थोड़ा पर्सनल, आपको जो यू हैव टू अवॉइड दोज ऑयली फूड्स, थोड़ा अवॉइड करिए. यू हैव टू ड्रिंक लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर एंड यू हैव टू बी ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एंड हैप्पी. जो मतलब मैं एक ये चीज बोलना चाहूंगी, इफ समबडी इज पॉजिटिव तो मतलब
Yeah.
भी मतलब पॉजिटिव हार्मोन्स रिलीज होते हैं बॉडी में, एंड दे गिव यू दैट नेचुरल ग्लो. सो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहिए, स्टे हैप्पी ऑलवेज, मतलब ट्राई टू हेल्प अदर्स. जो भी आप किसी की तकलीफ होती है उसको मदद करने की कोशिश करिए. तो अगर आप ये सब करते हैं तो यू विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रोइंग एंड स्माइलिंग. सो दिस इज
Very nicely said and very rightly put, because most of the people think that face wash and some cosmetics and everything might help, but it
So I
holds no
think
meaning at the end of the day.
I
It's all
think
from
this
your
what
inside.
what is your inside that reflects outside. So अगर आप अच्छा खाते हैं, अच्छा
Yeah.
सोचते हैं, अच्छे से आप अपना एक अच्छी नींद लेते हैं, तो खुद को लिए अगले मतलब खुद को तैयार करते हैं अगले दिन के लिए, अगले चैलेंजेस के लिए. तो आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू स्टे फिट एंड ग्लोइंग.
तो जितने भी लोग हमें भी सुन रहे हैं, दिस इज लाइक नॉट समबडी जस्ट टॉकिंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ टॉकिंग. दिस इज समवन हु कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड इज डूइंग ग्रेट इन हर लाइफ. So you can definitely take these tips and keep glowing yourself. So that. And ma'am, another question from Punya, Miss Punya, is that which newspapers do you suggest one should go through, and how much time does one need to devote on the newspapers?
I think when one is starting with the preparation and starting with these newspapers in the beginning,
Right.
so I think it takes a little longer time when you start with the reading of the newspapers, and it depends upon personal ability also. It varies from person to person also. Their mental aptitude also, it varies. But for me, I think I used to take around 3 hours when I started reading the newspaper in the beginning.
Okay.
But eventually, matlab I came down to 1 hour. I think you should not take more than 1 hour to read the newspaper, to read the whole newspaper, the important news that we have to cover in the newspaper. So 1 hour would be sufficient when you are doing your preparation, because you cannot devote more than 1 hour also. You have to study a lot of other things also. I think 1 hour is sufficient, and you should focus on you should move towards that target, that in 1 hour I am able to complete the whole newspaper, whatever is required from me. Yes.
Right. So another very interesting question that we've just gotten is by Sandra Santosh, and wants to know that did you do something, did you definitely practice for your interview, or how did you prepare for it?
Yes, definitely. Even when I have appeared in UPSC interview twice. So during when in 2016 exam and 17 month. So in during my first interview, this was my first interview, first UPSC interview. So I really went thorough with my detailed application form that we fill. I had to
Yeah.
really get thorough with it. So other than that,
Right.
जो भी हमारे आसपास चल रहा होता है, we have to be very thorough with the current affairs that are happening around. जो भी issues चल रहे होते हैं, social issues, societal issues, या फिर national issues चल रहे होते हैं, या especially because I'm a woman, मतलब मैं एक women candidate हूँ, और so we need to focus more on the girl issues also, women issues जो हमारे चल रहे हैं आसपास में, जो भी चल रहा होता है, so उन पे मैंने बहुत फोकस किया था, और मैंने कुछ मॉक इंटरव्यूज लगाए थे, मैंने कुछ मॉक इंटरव्यूज भी दिए थे, सो जस्ट टू गेट सेटल्ड, मतलब कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है खुद को, मतलब दे गिव यू फीडबैक व्हेन यू गो फॉर मॉक इंटरव्यू, दैट हाउ डू यू हैव टू सिट, do you have to behave, what should be your head movement, how would you make eye contact with the different members, how would you greet them, how would you leave, how would you enter, they tell you a lot of things. So I think mock interview is required for that. So आप अपना एक तरह से अच्छे से prepare करके then you go for few of the mock interviews, 4 5 maybe 2 3 are enough. So आप mock interviews पे जाइए and then you are ready for it. And for the second time, I did not go for much of the mock interviews because I had already one experience. So mostly मैंने second time खुद से ही prepare किया था, और maybe 2 3 mock interviews I went for.
Right. So all the audience who's watching me right now, I think this conversation has been really good and really fruitful for most of us. But given the kind of person we have as our guest today, she also has other responsibilities, so we are definitely short on time. But one last question that, ma'am, I think I will like to summarize all the questions into one and make this out would be that, was there a strategy while you were doing this? And if it was, what was your strategy to prepare?
So I would say that Kanika, every person has their own different strategy. Every person has its own way of functioning, its own way of thinking, its own style of doing things. So हर एक इंसान का एक अपना strategy होता है. So you have to find out your own strategy. आपको खुद देखना है कि मैं कितने घंटे, I have to see that मैं कितने घंटे एक टाइम पे बैठ के concentration के साथ पढ़ाई कर सकती हूँ. मतलब that varies from person to person. Some persons can sit for 2 hours at a stretch. Some person can sit for only half an hour at a stretch, and they need a break, maybe 5-10 minutes break in between. So you have to find your own strategy, and and there is no perfect strategy. There is no one strategy for this thing. So there are as many strategies as many minds are there. So सबको अपनी अपनी खुद की strategy निकालनी है. At the end of the day, you have to complete your targets. You have to be thorough with what you read. So this is the only thing that is required. So I think हर कोई अपनी अपनी खुद से strategy बनाए, आप अपना खुद से time table बनाइए और उसको follow करिए, एकदम with religiously आप उसको follow करिए. So that is the only thing, with consistency, that is required.
Well, I think most of you would be definitely be satisfied with what she's talking, because I really am. And ma'am, it was a pleasure. It was really a pleasure to have you with us on this platform. On the on behalf of Team Ashray Army and on behalf of Lovely Professional University, I want to thank you for all your time and all your words of wisdom that you have shared from this platform, not just for the students of the university, but students across the country who were looking forward to this conversation. So this is really great to have you here. One last thing would be that we request you to please give a message for Team Ashray Army, since these people have been working really hard and putting in so many efforts. I would request you to say a few words for them.
Yes, definitely, Kanika. It had been a pleasure to talk to you, to interact with you guys. I think Ashray Army has been working quite hard, and especially you are dealing with all the social issues that we are having in our society, and you are trying to uplift those vulnerable sections of the society. So it is a really great thing that you people are doing. I would always wish you guys to keep moving forward, and my best wishes are always with you guys. And I think the Lovely Professional University has also been a very kind of supportive engine, I would say, for you guys. That this cooperation that you guys share, may it keeps enriching as you move forward. and all my best wishes to you guys. Just keep moving forward, stay positive, stay optimistic, always stay positive, stay peaceful from inside, and hope for the best always. I think you have to be, you have to really look into the positiveness of any crisis situation. Also, you have to look into the positiveness of it. So just keep moving forward, whatever challenges come your way, and I wish you all the guys very best for your coming endeavors.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am. Or that moment that we started compiling the session, we had so many people from Punjab requesting that one motivational quote in Punjabi. तो मैं सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ to keep सबकी बात रखने के लिए I would really request you कि ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ please पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਜਾਓ.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ. ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਬੰਨ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਰੱਖੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਖੋਲ ਦਿਓ. ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰੋ, ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਬਣੋ. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਲਮ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਰਟਿਸਟ ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਬਣੋ. ਇਫ ਯੂ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਬਿਕਮ ਅ ਪੇਂਟਰ ਬਣੋ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ UPSC IAS ਬਣਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ IAS ਬਣੋ, ਪੁਲਿਸ ਬਣੋ, ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਬਣੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ. ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਦਿਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੂਰੀ ਸ਼ਿੱਦਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਦੇ ਜਾਓ. ਮਤਲਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸੋਚੋ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਰਸਤੇ 'ਚ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਰੁਕਾਵਟਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ. ਇਵਨ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਬੀਨ ਥਰੂ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਗਲਿਚਸ, ਬਟ ਇੱਕ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਗੋਲ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਐਬਜ਼ੌਰਬ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਓ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਰਸਤੇ 'ਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਮਤਲਬ ਵਨ ਡੇ ਯੂ ਵਿਲ ਰੀਚ ਦੇਅਰ, ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੋਗੇ. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦੇਣਾ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਬੁਰੀ ਲੱਤ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਥੋੜੇ ਖਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹੋ. ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਬਚਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖੋ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰੱਖੋ. ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰਦੇ, ਸਾਡੀ ਸੋਸਾਇਟੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਕਰਦੇ. ਸੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਕਰੋ, ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਖਾਓ, ਮਤਲਬ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਅੱਛੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਖਾਓ. ਤੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਇੱਕਦਮ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੋ. ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਸ-ਪਾਸ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਮੋਟੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰੋ. ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਰੋ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ, ਕभी अपने आप को बांध के मत रखो. सो मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी मतलब आगे बढ़ते जाओ बस. मतलब you will come out winner as a winner. That is my promise. हमेशा ऐसा होगा.
Well, before we exchange the final goodbyes and everything, I would really want to say this, that the simplicity, with the kind of simplicity that you have portrayed today, I think that is what makes you very special, and that's exactly why so many people are here watching us continuously live and loving you absolutely. Thank you so much, Navjot ma'am, for joining us, and it was a pleasure. And absolutely thank you सारी audience को जिन्होंने भी आज ये session attend किया है, for your questions and for being here continuously. I really hope that you keep supporting our leaders of tomorrow, people like Madam Navjot, and you keep supporting your own selves, your families, your environment. So thank you so much, Navjot ma'am. It was a pleasure having you with us today.
Thank you, Tanika, so much. Stay safe. मैं एक दूंगी last में, stay safe, stay healthy, और keep your surroundings clean. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll be hosting you soon at LPU, and we look forward to seeing you in person.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much.
Take care, ma'am. Take care. Good day. So, ladies and gentlemen, none other than Miss Dr. Navjot Simi, and I hope कि आप सभी ने ये session enjoy किया है. We'll keep bringing you more of such people who can always, keep our spirits high. So wherever you people are, stay safe, stay blessed. I'm Kanika Vik signing off, and I would really like to apologize if I was not able to take so many questions since so many requests were there. Congratulations, Ashray, Team Ashray, for another successful event, and we are looking forward to more people you people are bringing to this platform. थैंक यू सभी ऑडियंस को जिन्होंने भी ये सेशन अटेंड किया है, एंड स्पेशली थैंक यू टू ऑल द वर्टर्स for being so patient and for always being so supportive and loving towards the university. And at the end of the day, thank you, lovely professional university, for always taking care of people around you, for your students, and being such a nice university. So I am Kanika Vik, ladies and gentlemen, signing off for the day, and I hope to see you guys soon. Wherever you guys are, stay safe, stay home, and do not leave your houses until and unless very, very urgent, because only this way I think we all can make the difference that is required. And take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Hope to see you guys soon.